In this video, we'll look at the ALPAKA Flight Satchel, a new satchel from ALPAKA, and we will answer the question, should you buy it or not? To answer this question, we will first see the fit on both male and female, then we will have a quick tour of this satchel. Moreover, we'll see what fits inside this one. Then we will have a look at the pros and cons, 3 pros, 3 cons. After this, the specs, and finally, should you buy it or not? Let's go! So here we go for a quick tour of this satchel. First on the outside, as you can see I have the green one, you have black or green. At the time of making this video, it's a standard Axoflux fabric from ALPAKA. First, here on the outside you have 2 side pockets. You have this one with some drain holes, and it's to put an umbrella, for example, but you can put whatever you want. You have some loops here to attach maybe some things or a carabiner. On the other side you have a standard water bottle pocket from ALPAKA that you can unzip to make it bigger. And you have this to put around the bottle, for the bottle to stay in place. So that's for the outside pockets. Then here you have a luggage pass-through that doubles as a small handle to carry the bag when you're not using the strap. Then we have all the zippers on the pocket that we will see after, but before, let's have a look at the straps. So it's also a standard maglogs system from ALPAKA, and you can do this and remove it. So I can completely remove it if I want. And then I have something like this, okay? And I can just carry it like this. Not the most practical thing in the world, but you can detach it and reattach it if you want it. Maybe change the straps if you find something that can attach to this mechanism. Then the strap itself is pretty beefy. You have a strap keeper here. You have this thing padded with the standard ALPAKA padding, like on the backpacks. You have the color of the bag. Then you have this to adjust, and that's about it for the strap. Then on the pockets, you have a front pocket if you wear it like this. So then it's a front pocket. If you unzip it, what do you have inside? You have on the left side, you have the standard magnetic key holder from ALPAKA. And here, if you remove this, you have 2 compartments, one here and one here, with nothing else. So it's pretty plain compartment, just the divider in the middle here. So that's for the front pocket. Then you have also a back pocket against you, if you wear it like that. So if I open it, it looks something like this. It's a pretty plain pocket, and it goes up to here. So all this is the pocket, and you can put some flat things maybe here. Then we go to the main compartment, where I put a pillow to fill it up, to give it a nice shape. Just remove this. In the main compartment, what do you have? You have on the back here a place to put your small laptop, 13-inch, or a tablet or something, but it's not very padded. Like, I think it's not at all padded, it's just a compartment like this, so maybe not the most protected thing to put your laptop in. Then you have the big main compartment. On this side here, you have nothing, okay? On the other side, you have an internal water bottle pocket here. It's a little bit stretchy here, as you can see. And then that's it. And on the front here of the compartment, you have a zipper where you have another area to put all your stuff. It's a pretty big area, and you have no internal zipper to divide it a little bit more. So yeah, that's about it for the quick tour of the ALPAKA Flight Satchel. What fits inside, let's go. So I packed it like I could pack it on a normal day. So here, sorry, I don't have my mini umbrella, so I have my standard umbrella, but as you can see, the standard umbrella looks something like this. And here you have the drain holes on the bottom, so you can really put it here wet, and then the water will drain from the bottom, which is a really nice thing, and it's very accessible. The pocket is really good, so that's a plus. Then on the other side, you have the water bottle pocket that I opened to the max, and I have a Owala bottle here, so 24 holes, and I have the thing around it to keep it tight and clean, like this. If I remove it, you can see it here, and if I put it back, it fits. but I think you cannot fit bigger in diameter water bottles than this one, so 24 oz Owala is kind of the max you can put in here. Then my quick access pocket on the front. I have different things. On the right side, for example, I have my Game Boy Color right here, trusty friend. Then I have a phone, okay. Then on the other side here, I just put a flashlight and my earbuds from Soundcore. Yeah, I didn't put my keys, but of course I could have put them here. The only thing maybe is that this pocket is pretty big, and for small bits and pieces you need to put your hand until like the end of the pocket, which maybe is a little con. Then on the pocket next to me I put my power bank, and you have still plenty of space here to put something else. In the main compartment, let's check it out. So I have still a lot of space. I put a pouch here from Tactical. I put here my packable jacket, and then I put inside this little sleeve I put my tablet from Samsung, and that's about it here. Do we have something here? I didn't put anything inside here, but you still have a lot more space to work with. And you can also check the internal water bottle pocket. Let's see if the Owala 24 oz is fitting inside. It fits inside. Can you close it afterwards? Let's check it out. So you can close it from this side, and then you cannot close it until the end. The Owala is too tall, so you need a small water bottle in height and in diameter to use with this flight satchel. And that's about it for what fits inside. Pros and cons, 3 pros, 3 cons. We'll begin with the cons. First con, I think, is a little one maybe. It's only 13-inch laptop in this compartment, and like it's not padded at all. So yeah, it's not, your laptop is not, or your tablet is not so well protected, and it's quite small, but of course for a big laptop you need a bigger bag than this. That's my first gripe, because other than the tablet, I'm not sure I will carry a laptop inside here. Second con for me is the lack of a small zippered pocket. Maybe here on the inside, or maybe here on the front pocket with a divider, maybe a small zippered pocket here. You know, like on Evergood's backpack, for example, or something, you put a small zipper and then you can put your little bits and pieces inside the pocket. Because here, if you put them, then they fly around and everything, and you need to put your hand until the bottom of the pocket to retrieve what you put inside. So that's my second con. And my third con is the handle. It's a luggage pass-through, I know it, but it's standard seatbelt material, and it's not the best to carry it like this if you want to carry it by hand and not using the strap. I think they could have made it a little better, or to put another handle here, I don't know. But yeah, that's my third con for this flight satchel. Going to the pros, we have also 3 pros. The first one is I think it's quite stylish. I like it in green. I like the look of it. I like that it's pretty sleek, and so it's a nice option against some other packs like the Metro backpack 12 liter, for example. It's another option, maybe more stylish than this one. You choose. Then the second pro for me is a great organization. Just the lack of a small pocket, like I said, but the rest is pretty good. I like the fact that they thought of the water bottle pocket here and the umbrella pocket right here, which is a super nice addition with the drain holes here. And the last pro for me is the removable straps. So you can really use it without the straps. Like we said, it's not the best handle in the world, but you have options, and maybe you can buy another strap with the same system if this one is not suitable for you. Okay, now let's go to the specs a little bit. First of all, they say it's 570 grams, which is about 1.26 pounds. Let's check it out with my small measurement tool here. It's hanging, and what does it say? 500 grams, and in pounds, 1.1 pounds. So I measure a little less than what they say, but it's pretty close. For the height, they say 24.5 centimeters, and I think that's pretty much it, which is about 9.6 inches. For the width, they say 35 centimeters. So let's check it out. 35 centimeters is something like this. I think it's a little more maybe than 35 centimeters. Yeah, it's more than 35. Like it's more 40 or something like that. Maybe a little more than what they say. For the depth, they say 13 centimeters. And this depends how you pack it. But 13, yeah, it could be up to 13 centimeters, which is 5.2 inches. For the volume, they say 11 liter. I cannot measure it, but I find it pretty close, maybe a little less, but yeah, it's not so much structured. So this makes it pretty close to this one, which is rated at 12 liter. And so finally, should you buy this flight satchel or not? Well, if you're in search of a satchel, so you don't want to carry a backpack, then this is a really great option. But you need to think about your laptop or tablet. What do you use on a daily basis if you want to use this bag as an EDC? If you use a MacBook 13, a MacBook Air I think, then it's pretty nice. If you use only a tablet, that's also okay. But if you use a bigger laptop, then it's not for you. And you may want to look at backpacks, but this one, it cannot also handle bigger laptops, so you have to go with bigger backpacks. If the laptop or tablet thing is not a problem for you, then this one is pretty nice. You have the option for the umbrella, for the water bottle pocket. I really like it. I really like the organization. It's pretty light, pretty stylish. If you want something a little smaller, you have also the other satchel from Alpaca. You have the flow satchel in 2 different sizes. You also have the option to go with the crossbody. From Alpaca, I have videos right here. Or maybe the aero pack if you want to go into backpacks. That's pretty much it for the flow satchel. What do you think of this bag? Do you like it or not? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to put a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.